about to go volunteer. We're at Aiea Pond. We're going to help do some volunteer work and rebuild the fish pond. Right here, yay!
We had a wonderful experience and we learned so much about the culture and the history of the fish pond.
We're entering the fish pond. It's very cool. This is an ancient fish pond and it's just starting to get restored. It's beautiful. It's very beautiful here. You can see the mountain and beyond. That is the chant you're supposed to do when you're entering a sacred space.
It's amazing to see how the land has been transformed by the hard work of the people who come from all walks of life, and we really enjoyed meeting everyone and learning about.
They took the pineapples from Haleiwa back to Iwilei to go to the cannery so people could make upside down pineapple cake. Something. That's what that whole system was. And they decided it's okay, let's build right through the pond. Today that's the bike path that travels, right? You can see how much water was coming here, over 25 million gallons a day coming in. This is our second pond, which got filled in probably by McCandless and sugarcane at this time, but still big springs still there. And that's what you can see at high tide under Powerhouse. Bit of one being restored on private land over there now too. But this was her complex. The uplands were still mainly agrarian waters. So this still exists, this still exists. This road today is called lipoa. It's a seaweed that needs salt water. So must have been full of lipoa at one time. So as development encroaches and takes away the water from this area, the less and less opportunity for us to have the same thriving condition.
We're working. We're gonna plant some coconut trees, native coconuts. One of them came from the Hakulea, which is amazing. Oh, so lucky we get to be part of this. Nice job, guys, using your muscles. Me and Kiki are gonna be over there planting. This is gonna be a coconut grove. It's gonna be amazing. Right here. Okay, I guess we're gonna help dig and build the coconut grove, and then they're removing weeds. I'm gonna clear this area to be a sacred gathering space. It's amazing. Okay. They're planting this baby coconut. Yay. Here, be careful. Yeah, there's some ants underneath, just be careful. Okay, we got the berm, this baby coconut, 2 baby coconuts. And then those are more coconuts that are growing back there. It's so amazing. Yes, we planted baby coconuts and they're weeding down there. Ooh, it's very hot. But we hope these coconuts grow and thrive. Okay, I'm gonna circle them with rocks and sing to them. Aloha, oi. Okay, thank you. Should we go collect some rocks now?
It was wonderful to meet and work with the people on the Aiea, or the land. We were cleaning, weeding, rebuilding, and planting and also learning about the culture and having respect for what was once there and how to bring it all back to feed the people and the community.
Yeah.
Auntie told me about, because I'm a canoe paddler, and told me what the intentions are for here. I had my vision was,
Yeah.
Auntie, we need to have coconut grove here.
Yes.
You know, especially with the
Yes.
coconuts dying in the island. So.
Shin is to clear this for the dock, for the hokulea.
Hawaii Loa to come here. So I'm gonna take us all the way to the end, where she envisions a pier one day where they could put pier side, and then also where the canoe can just pull right in and for dry dock.
Wow.
We even have dragon fruit here. We have dragon fruit in the yard.
Wow.
Picture all of this gone, and this would
Yeah.
be like a walkway, right?
Yes.
When the hokulea
All
comes
of this
in,
has to be
people
cleared.
can just be standing here watching the hokulea pull in.
Yeah, that
And
would
when
be
I come
amazing.
out,
Oh my gosh, okay, we can see the water now. That's so cool. We made it to the end. Whew. This is where the hokulea would come in to the shore, past all this brush. So when all this brush is cleared, the hokulea would come here. It's so amazing.
he was
Oh,
a medical doctor, from what I understand.
Okay.
He did a hospital in here, but McGrew was one of the people who organized the overthrow of Liliuokalani.
oh, really?
So, yes, they named this whole property because they have the hospital here. But Auntie didn't talk about today because, I mean, sometimes she talks about, there's so much history here, right?
Mm-hmm.
But Hawaii, and that's what I'm learning from Auntie, both Auntie and Uncle, is I'm learning from Okonoko's.
Yes.
And when you come through the gate as a Kanaka and you come through and you have to know that they took the land.
Yes.
You're already coming in with Okonoko. You're already forgiven. You're already
Yes.
forgiving them and showing her the way.
Oh, wow.
But yeah, that's that part of the history was pretty eye-opening for me.
Yeah.
Their host
Yeah.
to watch up.
Afterwards, we gathered together and we enjoyed a wonderful meal. And we're very grateful for the aunties and uncles who shared their culture and history with us and gave us an opportunity to work as a family and give back to Hawaii